hike of the week. We're going to do the Currahee Mountain Trail and the Frady Branch and Pear Orchard Loop. We're going to hike up to the top of the Currahee Mountain, and it's a great day for a hike. It's clear, cool. Temperature is in the low 30s as we start the hike. Should be warming up during the day. And of course, the history of this is very unique and good. It's the home of the first paratrooper unit of the United States Army. And Band of Brothers fame, they trained here. It's a 3-mile hike up to the top of the mountain. And during training, each morning they would have to make a run up to the top of the mountain and back. They had the famous slogan every day was 3 miles up, 3 miles down. The white building is the only remaining building from the Airborne Camp. And they're reconstructing some barracks here using the original wood. It's a nice project. Turned off the main Currahee Road and then down onto the Frady Branch Road Trail to Pear Orchard and back up to the Currahee Road before we go up to the top of the mountain. We're walking on out to the cemetery. This one says born in 19, what's that say? 1851. And died 1891.
Oh, 1871. Sorry, I'm sorry.
No, 71.
71 to 91.
71 to 91. That's it.
Pretty good from this.
It's hard to read it. This was born in 1852, died in 1925. He lived to be older age. Mary Watkins, 1849 to 1913. Walking up Pear Orchard Road, back up to the Currahee Mountain Road. This is just an absolutely beautiful hardwood forest, all in here. It's in the wildlife management area. Working our way on up toward the top of Currahee. Getting on up toward the top. We got another long hill to go. And we're ready to stop, but you know you're almost to the top when you get to this big ugly painted rock. Graffiti. It's what you get when you have road access. People come in here and think it's their DVD and everything to paint the rock. Looking up into the mountains of North Georgia from Currahee Mountain. Currahee is the last of the chain of this end of the Blue Ridge Mountains.
Yeah. You might end up sitting on top of one of those trees down there.
See the rock quarry over there that seems to be growing each year. Beautiful. We're in the only remaining building from the Camp Toccoa paratrooper base. They're doing a lot of restoration here. Fantastic project. This is an original door from 1942. Amazing. Here we have a C-47 that's going to be reassembled here for display. It's another great project here at Camp Toccoa. They have the wings, the tail, and all wheel wells. They're going